Hey, morning everyone. Today we're coming at you with another rough country install video, and that is going to be on this 2025 Nissan Frontier. That's right. Today we are installing the Nerf bar steps on this truck here. Very popular, and it fits a wide range of these years on the crew cab trucks. That is 05 all the way up to 26, so you are covered if you have a Nissan Frontier. Today we're going to talk about the steps, the install, some of the features about them, everything. So come on with me. Let's get this. So as you can see behind me, this Nissan Frontier is relatively stock, aside from the hard cover that we put on it from Rough Country as well in another video, and I can drop the link right here. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and get these things unboxed. The price point on these steps is like low threes or 300 bucks or something. You cannot beat that. Very durable, powder coated, great product. I'm going to get it open and show them to you. In the box. So in the box, packaged nicely, everything's packed in foam. You're going to get your Nerf bar steps here as well. And I kind of want to talk to you about this. These are like plastic guards. They call them edge guards. And I'll explain to you what importance they have in making the longevity of your side steps really last. As well as all your hardware and instructions in the box that we will dig out next. We're going to put this thing on the lift. You do not need to do this on a lift. I'm going to do it just for ease of installation and showing you guys how to do it. Kind of want to show you the powder coating as well. It's like a mini texture. We do powder coating here. That's how I know that. They have a nice mini texture coating on it that's very durable. As well as, in addition to the powder coating, this is a raised metal panel with detents on it, so extra grip when you're getting in and out of the doors on your crew cab Nissan. All right, I'm going to get this on the lift, and I'll kind of show you what you do underneath the truck. Here we are underneath the truck, and what you're going to see is 3 spots on the truck. You're going to have these, I believe they're 8mm studs that are already here from the factory on your Nissan Frontier. The brackets are going to go right onto those studs, and then Rough Country supplies you with the nuts to go on those studs. So first things first, if there's any dirt and debris on them, make sure you clean them off. Then we're going to grab the brackets, throw the brackets on there, and then the steps. In the box, you're going to see all your brackets here. This is what I'm talking about. They go on the studs here. They just simply slide over the studs, and then your steps are going to bolt to those. You're going to secure those on the truck, at least loosely at this time with these nuts here. So we're going to go ahead and get the brackets all on with loosely attached nuts. Then we're going to work on getting the steps on. You can see the bracket here in place. They're going to be kind of opposite of what they are, drivers to passengers, because it's 6 brackets. They're all the same. So this would be on this side on this one, and on the other side, I guess that makes sense, this would be like over here when you go to the passenger side. So remember that when you bolt your steps on so they stay nice and even to your door. All right, what you're gonna do is get yourself a 13mm socket and go ahead and run these babies down, snug them up. Like I said, I'm not fully tightening these. We're just gonna snug them up so they're not super loose before we put the steps on. We'll do the final tightening and torquing down at the very end. You don't need a power ratchet. You can use a hand ratchet or a wrench, whatever you happen to have. They are nylock nuts, so this, if you're doing it by hand, it is gonna take you a little bit of time. All right, now is a good time, if not already done, to go ahead and put your plastic edge guards on. And what I was mentioning earlier, these things here, they just slip on, and it basically, everything, all the debris, and I can show you better when it's on the truck itself. Well, I can't do this with one hand. Damn, I was filming by myself today. But anyway, it just slips on, and all the debris and everything that hits your tire, this is always the first spot to get basically sandblasted off from the sand. So this helps protect and get that powder coat, the longevity that you should have. Next up is your plastic end caps. There's just press in there. Now we're going to go ahead and lay the step across the lift here just for ease. But in your case, or whoever's case, if it was in the driveway or your garage floor, you'd be laying it on that. You can use a blanket, whatever you'd like to do. Then we're going to get our nuts and bolts right here, ready to go. Through bolt it, get things tightened down, and show you what it looks like. And as you can see in the box here, they get all their fasteners. Again, you're going to use a 13mm socket and a wrench. They have the washers, the flange locking nuts as well. So you're going to basically go ahead and get these all bolted down. Again, loose. I don't do the final tightening until the end. All right, and if you're going to notice anything, you'll see that the brackets from the front driver's door, they're closer together than the rear passenger door. So that's a telltale sign. Which step goes where? As you can see, 2 brackets on that end are close together, and this one is further down here. Therefore, this one will be on the passenger side. All right, if you have a buddy or a friend, it may be easier to have them help you out. Hold that in place while you get it tightened down. If not, we'll use what you got, blocks of wood or whatever you happen to have. As you can see on the driver's side, I put the flange of the step on the forward side of the bracket. And here's why. If you notice the bracket sits to the rear, we put it on the forward side. On the passenger side, the bracket sits towards the front. We're going to put it on the rear, keep things nice and even. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get these tight fasteners all snugged in. Make sure everything's where it needs to be. Then get everything torqued down, and we'll repeat on the passenger side. All right, driver's side is all in place. We're going to go ahead and get our wrench on here with our 13 millimeter as I drop it. Doing this with one hand. And we're going to get these things tightened down. Once these are tightened down, we're going to go ahead and tighten these down. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing on the passenger side, and we'll catch back up with you. All right, we got the steps all bolted on. Before we lower this down and do a walk around, we'll get it outside and look at it. I kind of want to show you a couple little extra things that we do here at Flippin Customize and the reason why. All right, what we like to do on every fastener once we tighten it, we put a mark of what they call torque seal on that. So if you can see the green mark up there, what it is just a visual cue, a reference to know that your fasteners are tight. Nothing is loosened up on you. So we go through and we like to mark everything. Last thing we do is we do oil undercoating here at Flippin Customize. So we'll put a little bit of here on the studs and the fasteners just to protect those raw studs up here in New England from getting corroded. So steps are installed. There's one thing left to do. Get this thing outside. Let's do a walk around. All right, here we go on this lovely winter day. The steps are all installed. They are pretty sharp looking. They're very practical. It's great for getting in and out of your vehicle, especially if your truck is lifted or someone has and needs to get in and out of the truck and they have some disability or just need a little assistance getting in and out of the truck. They're a great approach angle. As you can see here, they have the protectors on them that keep from getting sandblasted from your tires, front or back. They look good. They're stylish. I like this truck in general. This thing is cool. And yeah, check them out. So I think that's going to do it for this one on another Rough Country install. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe because it helps us produce more of these videos. We have an entire playlist that's just Rough Country. We're a Rough Country dealer here at Flippin Customize. So if there's anything you need, reach out to us. We put our contact information right in the description, as well as a link to these steps here for your Nissan Frontier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.